Hello YouTube viewers. How are you doing today? So in this video we are discussing about life insurance, so let's start. Life is full of uncertainties, and while we can't predict the future, we can take steps to protect our loved ones and our financial well-being. One such step is securing a life insurance policy. In this easy-to-understand guide, we'll demystify the world of life insurance, exploring its importance, types, benefits, and how to make informed decisions to provide a secure future for you and your family. Why life insurance matters. Life insurance is a contract between you and an insurance company that provides a financial payout to your beneficiaries upon your death. This payout, known as the death benefit, can help your loved ones maintain their quality of life and financial stability when you're no longer there to provide for them. Here's why life insurance matters. Financial protection. Life insurance ensures that your loved ones are financially protected in case of your untimely demise. It helps cover expenses like mortgages, debts, education, and everyday living costs. Income replacement. If your income supports your family, life insurance can replace that income, ensuring that your family's financial needs are met even in your absence. Estate planning. Life insurance can also play a crucial role in estate planning, providing liquidity to cover estate taxes and other financial obligations. Peace of mind. Knowing that your family will be taken care of financially can provide you with peace of mind, allowing you to focus on living life to the fullest. Types of life insurance. Term life insurance. Term life insurance provides coverage for a specific period, typically 10, 20, or 30 years. It's often more affordable and straightforward, making it a popular choice for those looking for temporary coverage. Whole life insurance. Whole life insurance offers lifelong coverage along with a savings component known as cash value. It can serve as both insurance and an investment. Universal life insurance. Universal life insurance combines a death benefit with a cash value component and offers flexibility in premium payments and coverage. Variable life insurance. This type of policy allows you to invest the cash value in various investment options, potentially leading to higher returns but also greater risk. Variable universal life insurance. It combines the flexibility of universal life insurance with the investment options of variable life insurance. Benefits of life insurance. Financial security. Life insurance provides a safety net for your loved ones, ensuring that they have the financial resources they need after your passing. Debt coverage. Your life insurance payout can help cover outstanding debts, such as mortgages, loans, and credit card balances. Education fund. Life insurance can fund your children's education, allowing them to pursue their dreams without financial constraints. Estate planning. Life insurance facilitates the smooth transfer of assets and can help cover estate taxes and other expenses. Business continuity. If you're a business owner, life insurance can ensure the continuity of your business by providing funds for succession planning or buy-sell agreements. Choosing the right life insurance. Assess your needs. Determine the amount of coverage your family would need to maintain their standard of living and meet financial obligations. Consider your goals. Decide whether you're looking for pure insurance coverage or an investment component as well. Affordability. Choose a policy that aligns with your budget and financial goals. Read the fine print, understand the terms, conditions, and any limitations of the policy before making a decision. Making the most of your policy. Regular review. Life changes, and so do your insurance needs. Review your policy periodically to ensure it still meets your requirements. Beneficiary designation. Keep your beneficiary designation up to date to ensure that your loved ones receive the benefits you intend for them. Policy riders. Explore policy riders, which are add-ons that provide extra coverage for specific circumstances, such as critical illness or disability. Financial advisor. Consider consulting a financial advisor to help you make the best choices for your individual situation. Conclusion. Life insurance is a crucial component of a comprehensive financial plan. It provides peace of mind, financial security, and a legacy for your loved ones. By understanding the types of life insurance, their benefits, and how to choose the right policy, you can make informed decisions that safeguard your family's future. Remember, life insurance is a gift of love, a way to ensure that those you care about are protected and provided for, even when you're no longer with them. Thank you for watching. For more videos, like, subscribe and share.